Not done to order. It's done to microwave. Hey guys, so it's the morning of my flight. I'm actually gonna spend some time with friends and family. I just have like 5 days, but basically I have 3 days off this week, and then I asked for 2 days off back to back, so I have 5 days. So I'm just gonna go to Maryland, and right now I'm actually doing a video for you guys. Like, look at that, the dedication, you know. I'm doing a video and I'm gonna upload it today, yeah, on Tuesday, yeah. So I just want to show you, it's just gonna be a little vlog, like my traveling vlog and some experience and so forth. So stay tuned for the next clip, okay?
Feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me.
Alright guys, so I am ready and I am about to meet the Uber. The Uber is downstairs. Never really get to vlog much this morning because I have to do the videos and so forth, but I am on my way. Yeah, the thing about this elevator, that the work elevator, it takes like forever. Like, it takes forever. See you. Hello.
I didn't understand what you're trying to.
Oh, that's sorry. I was telling you not to go all the way up here because I was coming down there, but it's fine.
Alright.
Thank you. That's that.
You keep that? Yeah. Okay. Right. Very good.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that.
So right now, I am looking for food because I'm hungry, and I can't really find food. I just don't know which one to choose. But when I find something, we'll come back. This reminds me of when the plane land and everybody gets up on it. Most of them can't come out. So now the people them come and sit up. Everybody gets up. And the door don't open and so the door don't open. But oh well. Anyway, there was a delay, 45 minutes delay, so that's why I'm still here. So hopefully the flight goes smooth because yeah, madam, just want to reach. Not 2 hour flight, but I catch you back.
It's you, baby, it's you.
Who tell myself to come myself and come and Baltimore, like the cold. Jesus, cold man. The flight was bumpy. There was a lot of turbulence, but we reached. I never get for blind enough because it delay and all them stuff. I'm just gonna do that stress. Good morning from Maryland. Guys, it's cold. Like, look at my skin complexion and everything. I feel like me a white girl though. Anyway, It's now 2:12. I already ate my breakfast and I'm going on the road. I may go and do my nails and my foot, so I'm gonna take you along. And guys, when I was coming, like the place looked like some old British place. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you because it is too dark. So catch you in the next clip. Alright, so I'm going on the road now. This is the fit. I have my, I don't know that name. Steve Martin bag, Old Navy shirt, Zara pants, Zara jacket, and this is the fit for the day. Oh, and a Nike here first. Yeah, so this is the fit. We're going on the road. I think we're going to the mall. Then I'm going to do my nails, and then we're going to show you the old building around here. So, because when I saw the whole thing, I'm like an old pop down British, UK, England place. Anyway, yeah, let's go. Boy, it's a cold, man. What do you feel like in time we just reached me? But it's not that cold and manageable. But if you see the building, they come like me in England. Yeah, welcome to the UK, guys. Brick building. Yeah. This is where I am. So it's cold but it's manageable. So this is where I am. We just catch up me here, we don't really do much to me here. Cause you know see me now fussy. Yeah. And yeah, we're just gonna go on the road and do some stuff.
You know the type, you know the guy. As soon as you're close to erase all the lies, getting much.
I will carry it. Oh. So I just came to, what do you call it? What's your name? Maryland, to look for some friends and old time people we know for years. I have 5 days off, so that is what I'm going to do. Yeah. Welcome to the UK, guys. Yes, guys, so right now everybody I applied to a whole bag of jobs because the list dropped 2 days ago. And with the year, I enjoy myself. So if you see me work at Jamaica, just don't say I'm my fault. I ignore my time. Like guys, look on my face, just cool and pretty. Oh my god.
8 videos of JP
Yeah, as I was saying, yeah. So the list came out 2 days ago and everybody applying. Like we applied the night, but there's like millions more. Like we only do like 1% of the amount of employers. So we're going to the mall, and then after we see if we can go to the salon and get my nails and throw done. I'm more to buy one Crocs because Crocs is easier for one over, you know? Anything else I need to buy. And I don't know one bag of shopping because we only come down to see the kids. And in the other space already, so because I buy a lot of things I can and we can wear for my body. Yeah. Like today's my mother's birthday, so let's just wish her a happy birthday. Yeah. I buy her some stuff for her shop. Like with her own personalized name and everything. That's what me buy her. And a bag. And then my sister is throwing like a solo birthday party for her, and she get Pandora stuff, earrings and bag of things. So she more, I don't know, she seems more happier this year. Yeah? So that's good. Then she has a sister that I get along now. That's good. So yeah, many more years. She's 50 today. So 50 more years. Yeah. Happy birthday. So we're going to 1000 Mall, right? And that's in Baltimore. But we're there in Baltimore. The Baltimore now. We're still in Baltimore, so yeah. I go 1000 Mall. And guys, last night we were coming up on the way. You see one big old rat. I was a rat. No man. You know, a long time. Like we feel like me there, which probably didn't know. I feel like me there England, like literally, like I saw we always used to look at England, like you join on and then you have your own little part where you walk in and the brick and the same window them and everything. Is like, you don't know if I British somebody build it, but then they would that them taller though. Them taller. So all the people them get upstairs. Cause if
Alright, you see the middle piece, the middle one are upstairs and the two side one them are like
downstairs.
Downstairs.
Oh, so then go upstairs and then go so and go so. Like, something when you're coming out a cool place, like your skin and complexion just look so cool. That's why I say to you there, Jamaican, and you just look pop down because the sun just a burn you out. Yeah.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my.
We had 3 people for the look. 1 Friday, 1 tomorrow. Tomorrow what? Tomorrow Thursday. Friday. My friend from 2017.
Ooh, been melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your.
So closing time to the man care, milky man care. You're the panel line. Now what kind of driving you do?
Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back. Wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live. No shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable.
That's all this apple. Walk past apple here because we are Android fan. Walk past apple. So now if we live over here, I'm gonna buy apple obviously, but I don't know.
Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah.
Anyway, where are we going? Because don't get so lonely. Toy Korea going at this. No sir. Toy bro, you're going there so expensive please.
Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today oh wanna odo ejinye la love me. Ame bude make me my hotel.
You tell me say over here big, over here don't big. Supposed to come a flight that can see dolphin. You can't walk out of the mall, you know. I'll book a mall. Like, a little bit bigger than this. We see more parking than store.
If this is what they call malls,
then we don't know what we want to call them. And Victoria's Secret, we don't want to go to them places. If we're going to Sephora or something, I'm going to Coach. Because Coach they have sale. I don't know if they still have sale, but I think so either. Anyway, I'll catch back with you.
Big mood, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day awana odo ejinye la lo me.
So I'm here in the bathroom, about to get something to eat, but a girl they have to take a leak, and the lighting is really good in here, so I just decided to check in. So yeah, I'm gonna go continue on my quest.
What a time of my life, yeah. You brought the days to my nights, and you brought the days to my forever. Nights. Yeah, forever. I can't put it in words. No. You brought the days to my nights. Something you do to my heart. Something you do, girl. I can't explain it. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Yeah. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. You brought the days to my nights.
One thing more, sometimes named salt.
Chicken. Season with it.
Girl too fine, oh she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah.
Belly full now.
Ooh yeah. She the girl in my visions.
Anyway, that was it. My foot hurt me. You're not active. That was it for the mall. Waste of time. I don't know really the right there, so my foot hurt. We got some stuff though. Yeah. Outside cold. Anyway, catch up next vlog, next time.
Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind. Let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah. One time out of 10. 2 times won't you be mine?
And she's responsible for walk. So the rental's gonna be 20. You know, if somebody pulled up and said, get in my truck, she's gonna know.
What are you doing?
your parachute. One time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 5 times, won't you be mine? This love thing can take time. Yeah, and no matter how long it takes, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. Yeah. Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid to fall in love with me. Let me be your
Hey guys. Oh boy, my trip has finally come to an end, and I don't know one bag of vlogging, but it is now Saturday, 2:58, almost 3 o'clock, and my flight is at 6 something, and I'm supposed to check in at 5:29. Now I enjoyed my trip, not gonna lie. Was going for the first time, yeah. And go out and meet people, well, link up back with people we haven't seen in a long while, apart from one, because one catching them feelings. One catching them feelings, like, I don't care. Anyway, I am off to the airport. It's cold. I feel like it's gonna snow tomorrow, like literally, like, I don't know, it's so cold. And just a while ago, we had looked for lashes place, because I say, you know, your girl have to go back looking fresh and new, because we are going to do me hair soon. And I say, yo, why not go all out? And we go 3 places. 3 places. One of them, we couldn't find the place. We about half an hour in there look for 59B. Can't find the place, and we don't find the place. It closed. The drive go somewhere else. It closed. The people just down upstairs, and them have a number, anything to contact them. So we go somewhere else, then booked out. So you know what? It no matter. When I let nobody, I go back on my yard. Period. So that's that for today. Yeah. Catch you back.
They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no Chico.
So guys, you know that we always fall hungry, right? So we decided that we're going to try something new today, which is going to be African food. We tasted it before, because I had a friend that was African and she cooked it, but we never yet got a restaurant to have it. So we're going to try that. So let's see how it tastes and let's rate it. Okay? So we are 2 minutes away. Hopefully we get it, because if we don't get it, then what's the point of this part of the video? And then after that we have to leave go straight over, because it's almost 4 o'clock and traffic. I don't want to miss my flight because I work tomorrow. So let's see how the food tastes.
Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no Chico. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind.
What's your dog?
Me mama.
The dog don't want to go in there. The dog knows say a bed. The dog don't say a bed. See this Pedro kitchen. Alright, place call. So first time kind of eating African food, so.
So it's spinach, and the yellow thing is the melon seeds. You don't really taste it.
I don't want that one. I want something that's tasty. Some Jamaicans, so we deal with spices and...
No. It's all the spices are in there. I'm saying you don't taste the melon seeds. Because usually when I say
but there's
melon
no meat
seeds,
in that,
like,
though.
No. So when you get the meal, it comes in the 24-ounce container. We put half of this in there. Your choice of meat, you can do up to 3. And we cover it in red stew.
Okay.
And it comes with mounted yam.
I know what that look like. Yeah. So I want okra because I'm used to okra and the meat you said.
So I have fish, beef, tripe, cow skin, kidney, chicken, and turkey.
Chicken, which is the safest.
We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say.
Alright, so first of all, I had some observation, right? African restaurant, well, this particular one is called Pedro Kitchen in Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland. I realize it's not done to order, it's done to microwave. Like them literally put everything in the microwave and warm it up. So that means that the thing didn't cook before, right? And then them take it out of the microwave. So first of all, I have, what's this? Fufu, pounded yam, right? Puff. That of this of him, but me I got taste it, obviously. Yeah. The food warm, even on the microwave, then obviously, yeah, food warm. Then we have the okra and chicken. So you know, so I'm gonna eat this with the pounded yam. Then you have the rice and plantain for him. And this is the fish. Tilapia fish in something sauce. Right? So I'm just gonna eat mine. This is how it looks. No one has to put this, I'm not last time. So we're now pulling. By the way, you're not supposed to use no fork that knife, but we now do that. Let's do the taste test. We take okra and chicken because we know about okra and we know about chicken. So that's that. This is how it looks. Hold it down. It looks good. But as I'm saying, microwave. When I buy this, I had to stop myself. I guess it's them do it, them pre-do it. Okay, I'll pound it here. So basically it's just eating like this. Bad, but it have unusual taste. Cause you know we're not used to this. So this, I wish they have a little bit more salt, like a little bit more flavor. But with African I use it and I guess I'm gonna use it and what is it? What is it?
spicy though.
Like the fufu kind of, it tastes good enough, but it's fresh. It just have an unusual taste of the used to. Nice, soft, and everything. And then I guess the freshness kind of blend good with the sauce, the tomato sauce, like.
Cause every pleasure's got an hint of pain.
Like, this is not something when you would have go find really, honestly. Happy at the person that cooking. My friend, when they cook it better. And I love okra, but I love the okra. The chicken, okay. I don't really like it that much. It's okay. I just remember that's so nice. After I get bored that time. This we call this puff. I think we eat this already at work. It's like a donut.
Some fried dumplings.
But it's not sweet like donut, but come like donut. You meat like you want to
nice.
It's full of high.
So them cooking is full of but a be a spicy food them cooking up.
Come like planting time.
Smell nice, no? It's nice,
okay
no?
to me. I shall be having some Chick-fil-A later. Like, always try to check in on everything online and get your boarding pass so that you can bypass everything. Guys, I don't know why TSI have to be so strict in Baltimore. Like, Miami, we never have to do all this in Miami. Like, we never have to take off my tablet, take out my tablet. I never had to take out my laptop out of my bag, and I never had to take off my watch. But yes, sir. Oh God, man. I'm strict.
Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing.